Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Facebook reviews for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on a link in the description. When you're going to do it, you will get on this site called L site. You want to click here on sign up free and just create a Google or Facebook account is okay. Then just click login. L site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is Facebook reviews. When we are in the applications, you want to write Facebook. And you're going to see it here, Facebook reviews. So let's create a widget. And right now, right here, you can choose carousel, normal one, or slider, or grid. I'm going to choose like normal reviews widget. Continue with the template. Now you get like Facebook reviews. Layout, you can change the layout. And just connect the Facebook. I will leave it like it is right now. And change the style, like colors. But I like the blue. So let's click save. After you do that, you need to choose a plan. You can start with the basic or pro version that's like 50,000 views or 5,000 views, or you can go with a light version that's like 200 views and set it for free, or all applications. We will get to it to the end of the video. When we have it, let's copy the code here. Now let's click on widgets and let's take HTML code and let's just paste it here. When we have it, let's paste the code and let's see how it looks like. As you can see, we got perfect Facebook reviews here. What I would do, how would I center it, is to, let's click here, spacing, go like this, and voila, it's a middle. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Also check all the applications here. If you like some, you can get like for 30 bucks a month, 50,000 views per app. If you like all of them, you can choose it and use them, or basic pack that's like 15 bucks a month. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.